Hi everyone, I'm Soomin Kim from Seoul National University of Korea. In this video, I'm going to present our research about Moderator Chatbot for deliberative discussion. This work was done in cooperation with Jinsu, Joseph Seering, and Joonhwan Lee. When it comes to online discussion, online chat platforms function as a channel for discussing diverse social issues. Discussions in online chat spaces like Slack, Discord, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram allow people to share different perspectives and opinions free from time and place constraints. However, the fact that these spaces can host discussion does not guarantee they will properly function as an ideal public sphere. Rational debate and deliberation do not always occur in online discussions. Also, many people do not actively participate in discussions, and lurkers are really prevalent. Furthermore, people join groups and seek information consistent only with their own perspectives, and this makes it difficult for them to understand other contrasting viewpoints. Despite those challenges, we make decisions and drive consensus every day in online spaces using diverse chat platforms. Consensus reaching is especially highly important for situations in which a group or society is required to make a decision. So, in this paper, we aim to promote deliberative discussion through applying a computerized facilitator or a conversational agent into a discussion platform. We argue that chatbot agents can foster positive group dynamics by playing specific social roles. Then, what roles can chatbot agents play to promote deliberative discussion? In this paper, we focused on two features: discussion structure and discussant facilitation. Structuring discussion can help to maintain opinion independence and strengthen reasoned arguments. Think, Pair, Share is a representative collaborative discussion strategy to structure discussion. This can encourage independent opinion formation and facilitate an understanding of different perspectives. On the other hand, one of the other basic elements of deliberate discussion is that every participant has equal standing. However, it is often observed that equal participation does not often happen in online spaces. There are so many lurkers. Therefore, our design aims to overcome these challenges by encouraging and nudging members who are less involved in discussion to express their opinions. To implement the feature of discussion structure and discussant facilitation, we designed and developed the prototype of DebateBot. DebateBot structures discussion based on the Think, Pair, Share strategy. It also encourages participation from lurkers and thus can solicit a broader variety of opinions. For example, if the participant named Bert haven't actively participated, DebateBot asks, "Let's hear additional opinions. Can Bert tell us more about the reasons for the comments you provided?" And if Elmo and Big Bird do not express their opinion for a certain period of time, it asks, "What is Elmo and Big Bird's opinion?" So this is an actual prototype of discussion moderation and facilitation strategies applied in DebateBot. As can be seen in S, DebateBot structures discussion by encouraging participants to, as 1, reason about their opinions, as 2, share personal opinions in turns, as 3, conduct free group discussion, as 4, organize group consensus, and as 5, submit group consensus. And as can be seen in F, DebateBot also facilitate even participation by encouraging lurkers to speak up. To evaluate the feasibility of the chatbot agent, we conducted a 2x2 experiment. We ran experiments with 12 groups of 5 or 6 members each. The first main variable is discussion structure. In the structured condition, the chatbot agent structured discussion based on a think-pair share strategy. On the other hand, participants in the unstructured condition engaged in free discussion without a predefined format. Second, discussant facilitation was also used as our main variable. In the facilitated condition, DebateBot encouraged participants who had been less involved to express their opinions. This intervention did not happen in the unfacilitated condition. In our study, participants discussed two ethical dilemmas, the moral machine dilemma of self-driving cars and the self-aware AI dilemma. In these issues, consensus reaching and deliberative discussion are required because there are no absolute right or wrong answers to these questions. We measured several qualities of the deliberative discussion with consensus reaching, opinion expression, discussion quality, and perceived satisfaction. To quantify those variables, we analyzed individual users and group behavior data. We also measured users' perceived attitudes by using quantitative survey data. Then let's take a look at the specific details of each metric. Opinion alignment was used to infer the degree of consensus reaching. It refers to discrepancy between groups' consensus and individuals' opinions. Message quantity and even participation were measured to infer opinion expression. Message quantity implies how actively discussants express their opinion. Word count per participant was used as the measure of participation. Even participation refers to how equally individual members expressed their opinions and contributed to the debate. Standard deviation was used as the measure to determine even participation, and it was based on the number of morphemes per participant. Opinion or lexicon diversity was used as a means of inferring discussion quality. Opinion diversity is about the extent to which diverse messages are shared within a group. This concept is related to argument repertoire, the breadth of opinions people use to support or oppose a particular issue. To summarize the main result, structured discussion positively affects discussion quality by generating diverse opinions within a group and resulting in a high level of perceived deliberation. On the other hand, discussant facilitation drives a high level of opinion alignment between group consensus and independent individual opinions. This means that the feature of facilitating lurkers resulted in authentic consensus reaching. Facilitation also drives more even contribution and a higher level of task cohesion and communication fairness. Our results suggest that a chatbot agent could partially substitute for a human moderator in deliberative discussion. A chatbot-moderated discussion structure improves discussion quality, and discussant facilitation engenders even participation and authentic consensus reaching. Our study's results not only have positive implications in the fields of HCI and CSCW, but also have far-reaching societal impact by enabling society members to participate and discuss issues that will shape our future.